Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'll talk about a SUI USDT trading pair with my customer Chris. What's going on with this token now? Let's dive in. First of all, guys, just a quick disclaimer. I think the SUI will hit the new all-time high this year or the next one. So I don't think so. Let me check. 535, 537. It's an all-time high for SUI. I think we will see one more leg up, but some conservative price target. So I don't think so. The SUI will hit the like $20 or I don't know, $50 because now a lot of random predictions for this token. But yes, conservative price targets. It's around I don't know, $9, $10. It's possible to see. So now we're still trading with this intention accumulation pump model since listing on a Binance, and we come back and test it like support 27 block. So guys, you remember this block, and let me show you. This was an okay zone to buy. You know, this was this one okay. This is a take profit zone. Now it's like support zone. So everything still the same, and you can see reaction at $1.75 and 30 at 27 level. Will we hold it or will we drop lower to $1.63? We can't know, right? But what is good, you know, we build the flow. So this is order flow. So at least the 50% around $4 we can bounce. We need to break the structure because now the list is like this one, just like this order flow, and sooner or later, any of these order flows, you know, we come back and trade. So we can stop it now here, breaking out and go higher, or we can drop lower again, sweep the low. And guys, no make sense to talk about, oh, it's always 50-50, guys. It's always 50-50. You have to understand because it's a market and we can't predict what Donald Trump will say next. So we build a plan. And because if you now think we have to skyrocket up and you just stick to this plan and you don't have to, and you don't have a plan, what you will do if your plan will not play out, you will lose a lot of money, even on a spot. That's why, guys, better, based on my experience, better build a plan and add your zone of interest. And if the tokens, because we can analyze the bunch of tokens and mark the levels, the zones, add notification, and just wait. If the price will not drop to this zone of interest, you just skip the token. It's not a shame to skip some token, even if you waited so long that target and will not drop to your target of interest, zone of interest. Just skip the token and forget about it, because at the end, guys, we're here for the money, and you can make money with the SUI, you can make money with the Voxel, for example, or any other token. Just like example, if we talk about investments, of course, guys, if you believe in SUI. Now I talk about like a trades not on the spot. But if you believe in SUI and you wait, you know, new all-time high, you wait to much higher price targets, of course you can accumulate even now, because technically we are dumped at like 68% drop. It's more than okay correction. You know, if we hide this FIB, this one, and let's say this is a bottom, this is an impulse, I'm more than sure we are around 0.5 level by FIB. So here, if even under, so let's use the main FIB, this one, and let's extend it right. So here, this is what I told you. We can drop even to $1.51 and $1.14 if we turn on that FIB. $1 here. $1.14 is a zero level. Yes, it's possible to see that level. So nothing special, guys. Now everything depends of what will happen with the tariffs. Now I guess the Trump take a pause 90 days with these taxes. So I think everything will be okay. Everything will be okay at the end, and sooner or later, anyway, BTC dominance should drop. BTC dominance can't go forever up. So just in case. So technically, guys, I want to show you with my customer what's going on now. But this is an order flow. This is like a trigger. Anyway, it's going to be like a trigger for reversal move. Yes, of course, everybody waiting there all the time, like V-shape recovery move. But sometimes we need the time to build a liquidity and build the structure up. That's why, guys, my take is, yes, I believe in new all-time high for SUI, but needed time. The next liquidity pool is here. So it's around $1.59. That's why now, based on any news, what can appear in the media or from on Donald Trump through social or Twitter, yes, market can drop lower. So let's check, guys, with indicator set, and this is how the global chart looks like. Technically, we come back to test the order block. So this is not a like usually we analyze the gaps. We stop it at the order block. The video about order block I will also post. Will post. So take a look. The next step is here. This is the next one, monthly gap. It's not unnecessary, so we should drop all the time to the monthly gaps. We can come back and close it later, right? So it's around $1.32. Fulfill, it's around $1.10. I'm not sure about $1.10 because imagine the orders, the amount of orders, what we can see at $1.10 or $1 for SUI. Everybody understand, probably the $5.50, it's not an end of cycle, right? Because we not even start the main altcoin season because BTC dominance over 63%. So I never understand the reason why we have to drop like this one. So everybody buying here, build the average entry $1.50 and right to new all-time high, become rich so easy. I don't think so. Everything will play out so easy for retails. ADZ direction market mode. Here was a distribution. This is a accumulation on a weekly time frame. Not a crazy accumulation like on other tokens, but yes, still accumulation. Finally, here, take a look, just example. So here we stop it at in March 2024 at $2.18, then drop it to the bottom in August 2024 and stop at 64 cents. And from this belief and the hope, we pump it to $5.30. Now we are in a hope zone. So the same like it was here. So if we compare the previous impulse, correction, and should be another one, impulse, and maybe bear market. Money power, guys. I checked now the weekly time frame and take a look. This is a money inflow was at $2.22. So technically $2.22 is some comfortable price for the whales, for some speculation. It's a good one. It's good. If we check the daily one, here this was accumulation. This is accumulation. So without any divergence on a daily, everything okay. Daily, this is money inflow $1.88. $2.05 money inflow, MACD bullish divergence. Here was a money outflow. So now, I guess now more bullish signal than bearish. The lowest point, what I can wait, the SUI, it's $1.40, $1.10. That's it, guys. Trade on, sell, only recommendation close position, no signal to close your short position here. No main signal to buy now. On a daily time frame, on a 12 time frame here, it was a sell, take profit, buy. Pretty good one. Now nothing new. The last one and the main indicator, basically, it's take profit. Here, what I told you, we can test $1.61. It's a buy line for the while of the second $1.21. Daily time frame, we around the buy line. So would be good to hold the line here and start recover back to take profit. $4.16, build a structure and go higher. Weekly time frame, we trade over here. We traded over exit line. The buy line for SUI is $1. So this is it. I don't know what should happen with the alts. So SUI will dump to $1.10, but keep in mind this is a realistic target for SUI. For some tokens, we saw this example. So we pump, drop, then another pump, and only after that we landed to the take profit to the buy line and form some like head and shoulder. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment what you think about a SUI. If you would like to trade with my customer success, what showed in this video, just write me DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button, don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.